Now, what happened? Suppose if I execute without any /n and /o, so it will be not helpful anything. So I want to use /n and followed by transaction code xk01. Now I am able to switch to xk01 transaction code, that is vendor master creation. So you know, right, vendor master, how to create transaction code xk01. Now I don't want to create vendor master, I want to create material master only. So to create material master transaction code MM01, if I execute MM01, nothing will happen. So I need to place /n. So guys, if you don't have any questions, please mute yourself, please. Okay. So now what you do, /n, you have to enter /n, then MM01. MM01. Now it is a switch to create material master screen. So like that, material master screen to vendor master screen, vendor master screen to material master screen by using transaction code and followed by /n. If I use /n, that session will be replaced and it is open with new transaction code. And if I want to create, if I want to use create material master screen and create vendor master screen both, so what I will do, so I will use /o. This time it's not a /n, /o followed by transaction code xk01. So now what will happen, my material master screen will be remain, and I am going to open new session with a new transaction code xk01 vendor master creation. So I am into now two screens, material master, vendor master, both. So what I use, /o. So by using /o, new session will, additional session will be opened with new transaction code. Okay, /n will replace the current session, /o, additional session will be open with new transaction code. Okay, so how many ways you can open new sessions? So by using /o, or you have option here to open new session, and you have option here. Okay, system, go to system, create new session, and you have option here. You have option here, create session, and you have option control N also. So if you use control N, new session will be opened. And if you try to open one more session here by using create session, so it will give an error. So what is that error? Maximum number of sessions reached. It means how many sessions you can open at a time? You can open at a time 6 sessions with one user ID. At a time with one user ID, you can open 6 sessions, not more than that. So it will be giving maximum number of sessions reached. Okay, you cannot open 7th session. So close one by one, one by one. So what will happen? You check it, you see. So now I closed all the sessions. So while closing last session, it is giving prompt message. Do you want to log off? So if I click yes, I will log off. And if I click no, I will be continuing the same screen. Okay. Now I am into vendor master creation screen. So wherever you are, if you want to come to home screen /n. If you want to come to home screen, wherever you are, so you just click on /n, enter. So you will come to home screen. So that is also basic navigation. So guys, what we have discussed till now, basic navigation. What is command bar? What is the standard toolbar? So what are all the options we can see inside the SAP applications, and how many ways we can open the session, how to close, or how to open new session or additional sessions, all these things we have seen, right? Now we will continue with enterprise structure creation. So the navigation here, so no worry guys, so the navigation you no need to write down anywhere, so it is covered in all the study material. Okay, so navigation, everything, path, everything, it is explanation, definitions, all these things, it is covered in support study material which I will provide. Okay, so the navigation, we have path, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then enterprise structure. Just we are just going back to same. Under definition, I want to define financial accounting. So I want to define company, right? So define company. So here I said there are two options. So I want to execute. So I want to create new record, new company. So If I say without giving any details, if I click on enter, what will happen? So what will happen? Actually, SAP, it is user friendly. SAP only will prompt you what you have to enter or where you have to enter. So here system is giving some error. So in our SAP, there are three types of messages. Red color messages are errors. So you have to supply the data or you have to change the data, then only you can proceed. So if it is error, red color, so you need to supply the data or change the data, whatever you have given wrong. So you have to give data. So SAP, it is user friendly. Where you want to enter also, it will show. So you have to enter country here. So country, if already you know, so you can directly enter, let's say India, or let's say Germany, DE or something. Okay, you can directly enter, or you have option here, you can select from the list. So list you can just open. So F4 also, it will open the list of options. Okay, so you can select as you require. So for example, if I want, as I said, it is a German based product, right? SAP. So if you want to select Germany, you can select DE German, or if you want to select India, you can select India company code, company. So whatever you want. So for example, if I enter Germany, okay, Germany. So here why I select Germany. So it is a German based one SAP company, right? So all the currencies and all, it is showing in the euro, and the language Euro, German, all these things it will show sometimes. So I no need to change it every time. So I want to maintain Germany based. So it is comfortable for me. Okay, even it is not your activity in your SAP, in your job role. So you just learn how to do, okay, but not to learn all these things, not to by heart. Okay, so here again we have one more option, one more error. An entry already exists with the same key. So if you remember, there is one empty field, company. So system is taking that also empty. Basically, what is this field? This is a code, okay, uniquely identified. It will not allow duplicate. Company is 6-digit alphanumeric. It will allow only alphabets or only numericals or combination, but it will not be duplicate. So you have to enter something. So for example, if I want to enter ABC123, click on enter, what will happen? System give an error saying that an entry already exists. It means somebody already created ABC123. You cannot create. So you have to enter, let's say A1, B1, C1. Okay, so if nobody created A1, B1, C1, I can create. Yes, nobody created, then I can create and I can save it. So if I click on enter from keyboard, so no error means I am good to save. But is it good to save here like this without any description, without any details? No, right? If I provide more details, but it is not mandatory. These are all optional fields. So here in SAP, there are 4 types of fields: optional fields, required fields. Required means mandatory. Without giving data, we cannot proceed, right? So mandatory. And some fields will be read-only fields, and some fields will be hidden fields. So those are all we will come to know what are all the fields we have. So here I am good to save. So while saving, system is asking some request number. So how it is? What is the system request number? So here there are 2 types of requests: customized request, and we have one more workbench requests. Workbench requests means it is about programming requests, about technical requests. Okay, technical consultants will create some data, so that will be done by workbench requests. Okay, in our functional consultants, we have customized requests. So how it will be helpful in your projects? So basically in SAP there are 3 environments. 3 environments in the sense, first we have functional development server. In development server, we will develop the functionality. We have a quality server. In quality server, we will test the functionality. We have production server. So production, we will use the functionality. Okay. So once we develop the program or functionality, so that will be migrated from development server to quality server. So by means of this request number. So if you move request number from dev server to quality server, it means it is the functionality also will transfer to or move to quality. There you will check it. So from there we will move to production. So like that. So this will help you. So first time when you log in, you will not see request number directly. So you have to create a folder like this. Okay, like this you have to create a folder. So how do you create? So here you have option to create request. So give some meaningful description, anything, whatever you give, SAP MM folder name, something. So that will be created like this. Under this folder, the request will be created. All your request will be go and save in this same folder. It will be transmitted to it will be moved from one environment to another environment. But here in our training and education, we can have only one server, no transport request movements. So just to observe. Okay, so here, as I said, there are three types of message in the status bar. Green color, success or output messages. Yellow color, okay, sometimes you will see the messages in yellow color. Those are warnings or alerts. If it is warning or alert, just click on enter from keyboard. It will skip and you can proceed. If it is an error, you have to supply the data, then only you can proceed. Now I created a company code A1B1C1. So I'll just here. So where I am in some middle page, not first page, not second page. So if I want to go to first page, so how do I go? Here you have option first page. So I said I will explain, right? So here this is the option to go to first page, and this is the option to go to previous page. Previous page means, so if you are in some middle, so you have previous page, then you can go to previous page. And this is the option to go to next page. Okay, so again next. If you want to go to last page, you have option here, last page. So like that. So where you have created where is your object? So you need to find it. So to find it here, you have option position. There is no control F, there is no search. Here you have option position. Position, what is position? I am going to tell to the system to place the cursor in my object. So that position, I want to place the cursor in my required. Okay, let's say my organization object company is A1B1C1, right? So just click on enter. Directly system takes me to that. So my cursor position is actually, it is some place. Okay, so it will be open. So if you want to open, just double click, it will work, or you have option to open details. So everyone, it is maintained their company codes in a meaningful description, right? But mine is, it is not no meaningful. So somebody will go and see, they don't understand anything. So if I want to maintain some text, okay, description, it is easy to understand. So now I want to maintain some text. So let's say my company, Bajaj Group of Companies. As I said, Bajaj Group of Companies, which is located in Bangalore. And if I want to maintain address also, let's say BTM layout. Okay, so language key. As I said, I want to maintain German based language key, DE German. Okay, and currency euro. Currency euro. If you want to select from drop down also, you can select. If you remember, you just click on enter. So if you don't see any errors, you are good to save. So in that way, you can create company. Now, if somebody will come and see, so they can understand, yes, this is Bajaj Group of Companies, okay, which is located in Bangalore. So all these things he can go through. The address also he can go through and he will understand. Now it is good, right? Guys, following, right? Any questions, anyone? So anyway, it is not your responsibility in your project. Create company code or maintain company code. So it is not your.
Yeah, hi sir. Hi sir.
Yes, Kishore.
Yeah. If once we are creating the, like, what are the elements, how can we, if any editing or any deletion, how can we do?
That I have shown you, right? So if you want to do any edits, okay, you just open and you can change.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to delete, you have option to delete also, but not recommended to delete anything. Okay, because that will be linked to any other objects.
Yeah, I understand.
I have explained all these options, right? So from there, you
yes.
can,
The same pattern. Is there any short key for direct deletion?
If you practice once or twice, if you go through this recording also, it is easy to understand all the navigation. Okay.
Now asking for short key.
You want to go to short Sort means here
Yeah, sort.
ascending order only. So this is only sort we have.
No, sir. No. If any key, like if directly deleting the control D or control S like that,
Shortcut
is
keys you
there
want.
any? Yeah. Is there
Yeah, this
any
is
keys for
so
delete?
if you place the cursor, it is showing
Okay.
delete shift
Shift
plus
F2.
F2. Yeah, shift plus
Yeah,
F2.
right. Thank you.
So all these shortcut keys, all these things, if you want, you can go through in the study material. Okay. So I just placed everything. So you can go through it. Okay. So you can go through all the shortcut keys, whatever you want. Okay. So all the support material, it is covered. Okay, guys. So this is the way you create company. Okay. Now you want to create company code. So how do you create company code? So guys, can you proceed? Any questions, anyone? Guys, anyone have any questions? If you don't have any questions, we can proceed. Okay.
No, sir. Please proceed, sir.
Because I said it is 7 to 8. It's about to 8, right? 5 minutes only we have. Okay, so no problem. If you want, I can disconnect today and we'll continue tomorrow. So we'll continue tomorrow means we'll complete second part also. Second part in the sense, so create purchase group, purchase organization. Okay, because in the same day we cannot proceed more because some people are new to SAP, some people are just started practicing. Okay, and you people must have credentials to complete to practice also. So no problem. I'll stop it here and we can continue creating company code, plant, storage location, purchase group, purchase organization. Tomorrow we can complete this much. Okay. So meanwhile, if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, basic navigation. So today what we have to understand, so basic navigation. So you just think of, we understand how to navigate in SAP applications. Okay. So guys, still somebody is logging through iPhone name or all these things. So you please put your names. So how do I understand who has joined with the iPhone name? So please try to follow the things. And somebody joined with 123321. This is meeting ID password. So how do I understand, guys? Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow. So if anyone have any questions, okay, you please let me know.
Sir, just a minute, sir. Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yes, sir.
Sir, here in client, you have told like the number will be only 3 digits.
Yes, sir, only 3 digits.
Sir, if SAP is having some number of like thousands of clients, so then if it is three digits, how like it will define?
They will maintain with the,
perspective.
yeah, they will maintain with the reference to language key, or we have a few more options. Okay, so
Okay.
so they will distinguish with the language key, or they will distinguish in their environment. All these they will maintain some other internally. Okay, so in our project also we will see not only three servers. Okay, 3 clients. We can see around 10 servers or 10 clients also we can see in some projects. Okay, but 10 clients with the same, how one company, one user only using 10 clients and remaining what? So it is not a question. They will maintain, they will give license key. Okay, they will maintain something.
This is SAP's requirement, not is a,
Yeah, that is
this
a
is not
SAP
related
part.
to company.
Yeah,
Okay.
giving license, it is SAP part. It is not none of our business.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so basically we have SAP landscape. Okay, there are 3 clients. Okay, one is for development, second one is for quality, third one is production. So in development, we will develop the functionality. In quality, we will test the functionality. In production, we will use the functionality. But internally, we will have different servers also based on the project, based on the client. Okay. Hi, Adarsha. Guys,
Hi,
I
sir.
couldn't read all the names because there is no much time. Okay, so if anyone have any questions, please let me know.
Sir, like while saving the changes or like while you have done like customization request something, right?
Yeah.
So is there any way to delete or like reverse those things?
No, there is no option to reverse. So we have option to change, edit or delete. Also, we will create in a transport request. Even whatever you do, edit or change or new or whatever. So it will be created with one transport request. So along with credit means create what you create, will along with that delete also, the transport request will be transmitted from one environment to another environment. Then it will be deleted.
So no, like in if I want, I've created some company code or like plans something like while saving those, like I'll be saving this customization request something, right?
Yes.
So I wanted to delete those company code or plan.
That is the
Is
reason
there
I
any
am
way?
telling, while deleting also it will create one more request number.
Okay.
Okay, that request also you have to pass on to next server.
Okay, fine.
Then only it will be deleted.
Okay, fine. Got it. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So we'll connect tomorrow. Guys, I am more time punctual. Please be on time by 7 o'clock daily. Okay. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. We have next
Thank
batch.
you.
Thank you. Thank
Thanks
you.
for the session.
Sure,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Bro,